into it. It disappeared. And these are the clouds that they spray that made us miss it. You see how it's a straight line?
Yeah.
These are the ones they spray out of the airplane.
No.
Oh yeah, you see the straight line right here? It turns into a haze over the sky.
These guys, yeah.
Yeah. That over there is the same thing. Just throughout the day, this spreads out. Our skies turn into a haze after they spray us.
Well, it's not spray, it's condensation, right? It's contrails.
Well, condensation is what happens when you breathe out of your mouth.
Yeah.
And that disappears. When it spreads throughout the sky and stays there all day, that's chemicals they're spraying. They say they're doing it to stop global warming, is according to like the official reports.
Okay.
But made us miss the moon.